Hi guys, how are you? I hope that all of you are well aware about what computers are and how they are working. Now, let us go through some details about certain subjects of studies like networks and security, HTML, MS Access, table in MS Word, mail merge, MS Excel conditional formatting and function in MS Excel. Chapter 1. Network and Security. Guys, to begin with, let us have a brief discussion about networks and security. Today, the digital world around us is undergoing vast changes day by day. I suppose that all are known that telecommunication networks is used to communicate through phones. This lesson includes these objectives: familiarizing with different computer networks, networking protocols, and computer malware. Computer network. A network is a group of two or more computer systems linked together through cables, telephone lines, radio waves, and satellites or infrared light beams. We can share information and resources very easily through them. Internet is the biggest network of computers. The Advanced Research Project Agency Network, ARPANET, was the early computer network introduced by the US Defense Department in 1969. Guys, now we are going to discuss about the different types of computer networks. Friends, can you guess it? Generally used network types are PAN, LAN, MAN, and WAN. What are the purpose of these networks? I will explain it. Listen. PAN, Personal Area Network. It is used for communication among computers and computerized devices. Both wired and wireless connections can be used and it covers a distance of less than 10 meters. LAN, Local Area Network. It is a computer network covering a small physical area such as home, office, school, airport, hospitals, etc. It covers different locations in a firm and can be connected through a network. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network, is a large computer network that interconnects users with computer resources in an entire city or a large campus. MAN is larger than a LAN. WAN, Wide Area Network. It occupies a very large area such as an entire country or maybe the entire world. WAN can contain multiple smaller networks such as LANs or MANs. Internet is the best known example for a public WAN. Now, we learned about the different types of computer networks. And now, what is the difference between Internet and intranet? Guys, do you know? Internet. Internet is a massive network system. It interconnects millions of computers together globally. Networks of the Internet may be linked by copper wires, fiber optic cables, wireless connections, and other relevant technologies. It carries a vast amount of information, resources, and service like email, online chatting, e-education, teleconferencing, file sharing, e-commerce, etc. Intranet. Intranet is a private network within an enterprise. Typically, an intranet includes connections through one or more gateway computers to the outer network, probably Internet. Companies use intranet to share files and utilize websites to collaborate. Intranet has limited number of users rather than Internet. Guys, are you ready to go through the next part about network protocol? Okay, then what is protocol? In information technology, a protocol is the special set of rules that end points in a telecommunication connection used when they communicate. Protocols specify interactions between the communicating entities. TCP or IP, HTTP, FTP, are some protocols used in networks. TCP or IP, Transmission Control Protocol or Internet Protocol, is the most important computer networking protocol. It is used along with the IP to send data over the internet, specifying how data should be formatted, addressed, transmitted, routed, and received at the destination. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, is used between a web server and web browser for transferring hypertext markup language (HTML) pages. FTP, File Transfer Protocol, is used to transfer a file or a portion of a file from one system to another under the command of FTP user. Typically, FTP is used interactively by an online user. There are some advantages of computer network. File sharing. The major advantage of a computer network is that it allows file sharing and remote file access. It saves the time which is wasted in copying a file from one system to another. Resources sharing. All computers in a network can share resources such as printer, scanner, modem, etc. Ease of communication. Computer networking technology has improved the way of communications. Computer network allows people to communicate through email. This makes the transmission of information easier and less expensive. Here in this chapter, let us discuss how to connect Internet, that is, Internet service providers, softwares and hardware requirements, configuring Internet connection, etc. Requirements for use Internet connection. To connect the Internet, you need the following 4 things: personal computer, telephone connection, modem, Internet connection. What do we need to get connected with the Internet? These things work together in the following ways. The computer is essential. The primary requirement for an Internet connection is a personal computer with a modem. The modem is an electronic device which modulates and demodulate the message signal. Modem means MO, modulation, DEM, demodulation. Telephone connection, wired or wireless, is another requirement for Internet connection. The information passes through the telephone line, which is connected to the modem. ISP, Internet Service Provider, is a company that provides Internet connection service. Next is network security. What do we mean by network security? How does network security work? It refers to any undertaking designed to protect the network. Network security is the process of taking physical and software preventative measures to protect the underlying networking infrastructure from unauthorized access, misuse, malfunction, modification, destruction, or improper disclosure, thereby creating a secure platform for computers and users.